The client is a regional shipping company. Their team usually has to log on to government web portals to make bookings and declarations whenever customers place orders. They also need to generate reports. Gleematic is able to log on to government web portals to get information and place into an Excel file and format it before sending to end customers. Client also needs to extract information from bills of lading into desired formats and collate them. Gleematic was able to help to extract data from bills of lading and transfer to Excel files or systems. Web portals were sometimes slow to load and run into errors at times. Various exception handling scripts were set up to address these scenarios. Gleematic works up to 5 times faster than humans, saving 3 to 4 FTEs. Gleematic is almost 100% accurate, preventing human errors. As employees only have to monitor Gleematic progress, they can focus on more important tasks. Since they need not attend to these mundane and repetitive tasks, they will be less stressed and be more motivated to do other value-added tasks.